Te whānau. Welcome to today's video. Yes, we're on the couch with our trusty raku, our guitar, and we're going over a very simple song, a very popular song within Te Ao Māori. It's themed off the song from the Wiggles, head, shoulders, knees and toes. However, it's got a Māori spin to it. So like all of our other waiata videos, I'll play through the song, sing the song, and then we'll go over it. I don't really think we'll need to go over it. It's the most simplest song, probably. The hardest part, or the more advanced part, I guess if you want to call it that, is how to play it. So the chords we'll be using for this is F, then we go to D minor, then we go to G minor, then to C, and then back to F. And that's the rotation. You can do it as many times as you want, but for this one, we'll just go through it 4 times. So, let's get into it. Toru, wha. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Taringa whatu ihu waha e. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Taringa whatu ihu waha e. One more. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi poku hope waewae. Taringa whatu ihu waha e. And that's it, whānau. So like I said, you can keep looping that song as much as you want. The hardest part is probably when you get up to the last line, which is Taringa whatu ihu waha. So it goes. So yeah, so you go 2 on the G minor, 2 on the C, and then back to F. And then how we begin it is bar the F into it. So there you go, whānau, for all of our parents out there. If you have a raku, have a guitar, and if you're looking for a song to sing to your pepe any time of the day, it can be before they go to bed or whenever, to settle them, there you go. And now you know how to play it. So te whānau, if you got any value from this little quick video, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share with your whānau, and we'll see you in the next video. Ka kite.